little learners, welcome and namaskar. Today we are going to learn chapter number 21, the future. And the learning objective, or we can say the learning outcome of this lesson is, at the end of this lesson, you will be able to define the tense of a verb. You will also be able to define the future tense of a verb. You will also be able to identify the future tense of the verb. Let's revise first. That is tense. What do you mean by tense, dear kids? The tense of a verb show that time of an action. Yes, the tense of a verb shows the time of an action. It tells us when an action takes place. हमें बताता है कि एक्शन कब हो रहा है, दिन में, रात में, प्रेजेंट में, पास्ट में या फ्यूचर में. Let's see the examples. Little Tom plays with the soft toy. Little Tom plays with the soft toy. Here plays shows the present tense. Alright, that Little Tom is playing with the soft toy right now. That's why it is written plays. Alright, and then Aunt sieved a pretty dress for me. Here sieved shows the past tense. Very good, dear kids. Then let us see the next example. John will perform at the party tomorrow. मतलब ये एक्शन अभी हुआ नहीं है, ये कल होगा. So it tells us the future tense. Very good. Now let's move forward and see what is future tense. Let us learn more about future tense. Verb, future tense. Let us now revise about verb, future tense. Let's look. हमने already second standard में पढ़ा है future tense. Here we are going to read and learn about future tense in detail. The future tense of a verb refer to an action that will happen sometime in the future. इसका मतलब है future tense of a verb क्या refer करता है? Action that will happen sometime in the future. For example, Amy will come to Ladakh next year. Amy is going to come to Ladakh next year. It shows the future tense. वो अभी तक गई नहीं है, वो जाएगी next year. So it's a future tense. Will come shows future tense. Tim and John will join the boy Scott. Tim and John will join the boy Scots. Here will join shows us future tense. Then we shall have a wonderful treat at Ray's party. We shall have means हमें मिलेगी, मिली नहीं है. So it also shows us the future tense. Now let us learn the forming of the future tense. The simple future tense of a verb is formed by using the helping verbs. Simple future tense of verb किससे बनता है बच्चों? Helping verb, by using the helping verb will or shall with the base form of the verb. Alright, we use will and shall with the base form of the verb to form what? Future tense. To form future tense. Let's see the example. We shall visit my grandparents next month. Here we shall visit. Shall is helping verb, whereas visit is base form of the verb, whereas visit is base form of the verb. Here the verb shall plus the verb visit shows that the action will take place, that is next month. Now let us see the second example. Ray and Tim will go to Delhi tomorrow. They are going to Delhi tomorrow. Okay, वो अभी तक गए नहीं है but वो जाएंगे. Alright, so it also shows helping verb plus base form of the verb. Will is what? Helping verb. And go is what? Base form of the verb. Very good. Amy will come to Ladakh next year. Here will is helping verb, whereas come is base form of the verb. Dear kids, it's time to open your textbook. Take out your pencil and eraser and take out page number 81 in your textbook. And let us look here and read the sentences. You are my friend. I will help you with your studies. Here in this sentence, the one boy is saying, you are my friend. I will help you with your studies. And then let's see the next one. Good idea. I will get some juice and sandwich for home. I will क्या दर्शाता है बच्चों? I will ये बताता है कि मैं वो काम करूँगा या करूँगी या वो काम होगा. Okay, what about a picnic at the riverside tomorrow? He is asking. And then he is saying, good idea. I will get some juice and sandwiches from home. Now, let us see the next one. There are signs. You will become a great writer soon. In this person is asking his destiny to this parrot. And the parrot man is saying, there are signs. You will become a great writer soon. Now let's see what's the next one. If you study hard, I will bake a cake for you. मम्मा आपको बोलती है ना, अगर आप अच्छे से पढ़ लोगे, then I'll bring chocolates for you. I'll bring gifts for you. Just like that. If you will study hard, I'll bake a cake for you. This mama is also saying to this boy. Now turn the page and come to the next page, that is page number 82. In page number 82, we are going to learn remember. We are going to first see the remember portion. Remember, we use will to talk about promises, to express what we think might happen, that is predictions. And the third is to express decision taken on the spot. Okay, so we always use will with the verb in the base form. Will is never used without a verb. Will को हम without a verb use नहीं कर सकते. The negative form of will is will not. It is written as won't. Let's see the example. I promise I will finish my homework tonight. Finish is what? Base form of the verb. And will is helping verb. Very good, dear kids. Now come to exercise number 1. Look here in exercise number 1. Add will and rewrite the sentence. Add will and rewrite the sentence. She go out in the evening if it does not rain. So what will be the answer for it? She will go out in the evening. Write it down. She will go. Before the verb, base form of the verb, we will write will. And then we will continue with the sentence. She will go out in the evening if it does not rain. Then come to the second one. Mom said she bring me chocolates when she goes to the market. This is the question. आपको बिल्कुल ऐसे ही एरो करके छोटे छोटे हैंड राइटिंग में आंसर्स लिखने हैं. अगर आपका टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं हो पाता है, आपके हैंड राइटिंग बड़े हैं, so you can write this exercise in your notebook. Come on, let's see the next one. Mom said She will bring me chocolates when she go to the market. Come to the third one. Come to the third one. Rohit became a doctor when he grew up. Rohit become a doctor when he grows up. What will be the answer for it? Rohit will become a doctor when he grows up. Write it down. Rohit will become a doctor when he grows up. Now come to the fourth one. The weatherman on TV said that there will be more rain this weekend. And how we are going to write it down? The weatherman on TV said that there will be more rain this weekend. Come to next one. Sohail is playing well. He scored a century. What will be the answer for it? Sohail is playing well. He will score a century. Then come to the last one. If you do not hurry, we miss the train. And the answer for it is, if you do not hurry, we will miss the train. Now come to question number 2. Choose the correct explanation and follow the example. Here they had given us 2 options. Promise, on the spot. Promise, on the spot. On the spot, condition. Likewise. Okay. What we have to do is, we have to follow the examples and we have to guess whether the situation is a promise or it's a on the spot decision or it's a condition. Alright, and simply we have to circle it like this. You have cut yourself badly. I will put some medicine on the wound. It's on the spot decision. Yes, very good. Then, coach, we are sure we will do much better in the next match. It's a promise. So, circle promise. Then come to the third one. If we do not come front the assembly on time, our class teacher will scold us. It's a condition. अगर हम नहीं जाएंगे असेंबली में तो हमारी क्लास टीचर हमें स्कोल्ड करेगी यानी डांटेगी. Then come to the next one. Gaurav said he will drop us at the railway station. It's a promise. It's a promise. Very good. Now come to the next one. Mohit and I will go out to play now. The rain has stopped. It's a on the spot decision. Excellent bachcho. Now come to page number 83. In page number 83, see there is a table. Helping verbs. Yes, they are helping verbs. And also we use base form of the verb. Going to form plus base form of the verb. Like I am going to buy a car. We are going to buy a car. You are going to buy a car. They are going to buy a car. Then he, she, it is going to buy a car. So with third person we write is. With second person we write are. With first person I we write am. ये मैंने आपको पहले भी पढ़ा है. With I we use am. With we, you, they we use are. And with he, she, it we use is. And then going to buy a car. Okay, then going to form and then the base form of the verb. Now see this matching. Read and match. Roshan loves animals. He is going to be a vet. Then I've got 12 apples. I'm going to make an apple pie. Then it's Sohan's birthday tomorrow. Match it with the fifth one. I am going to buy her a present. Then Bob and Tina are in Kolkata. They are going to visit the Indian Museum. Then my sister can't drive a car. She is going to take driving lesson. We are staying at home this evening. We are going to watch television. Come, let us read all the sentence by matching the words. Roshan loves animals. He is going to be a vet. I've got 12 apples. I'm going to make an apple pie. It's Soha's birthday tomorrow. I'm going to buy her a present. Bob and Tina are in Kolkata. They are going to visit the Indian Museum. My sister can't drive a car. She is going to take driving lessons. We are staying at home this evening. We are going to watch television. Now turn the page. Come to the next page. Page number 84. Ask and answer. Take turn. Ask your partner about his or her plans for the weekend. Dear kids, this exercise is your homework. आपको ये एक्टिविटी वीकेंड में करनी है, यानी सैटरडे को करनी है. आपको क्या करना है, अपने फ्रेंड के साथ मिलके, और यू कैन डू अ वीडियो कॉल टू योर फ्रेंड एंड देन यू हैव टू रिकॉर्ड दैट स्क्रीन. आपको स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग करनी है एंड आपको एक वीडियो बनाना है. अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करना चाहते तो आपके घर में अगर आपके कोई कजिन्स है या ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर है या फिर मम्मी पापा के साथ भी आप ये एक्टिविटी कर सकते हो. आपको पेयर बनाना है मम्मी के साथ या पापा के साथ या फिर अपने किसी कजिन ब्रदर सिस्टर के साथ, एंड देन यू हैव टू डू दिस एक्टिविटी. आपको अपने वीकेंड के प्लान बताने हैं कि आई एम गोइंग टू डू दिस, व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू. So he or she will say, I am going to watch television and I am going to the park. अब पार्क तो हम जा नहीं सकते कोरोना में, बट आप ऐसे सेंटेंसेस बनाओ जो आप कर सकते हो. आई एम गोइंग टू डू ड्रॉइंग्स इन दिस वीकेंड. आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अ पोर्ट्रेट इन दिस वीकेंड. Likewise, there are many ample amount of ideas which you can use. Okay, dear kids? So this activity, question number 4, exercise, speaking exercise, is your homework and making video is mandatory. आप सभी को इस एक्सरसाइज का वीडियो बनाना है and you have to send it to me. Alright? So this question is your homework, activity homework, speaking activity. Ask your partner about his or her plans in weekend and make a small video on it. Now it's time to do our favorite activity, that is mind mapping. Give heading in your notebooks, chapter number 12, the future. And then make plus sign like this and write the formula. Subject plus denotes the positive sentence. Dear kids, plus का मतलब क्या है? Positive sentence. Very good. And then write it down, the formula. Subject plus will, shall plus verb. In bracket write it down, base form plus object. And then give example. I will go to Thailand. Then come to the negative sentence. This plus shows the positive, whereas this minus show the negative. Negative sentence में हम the future tense को कैसे use करते हैं? Subject plus will not. will के साथ क्या आ जाता है? will not, जिसको हम won't भी बोल सकते हैं, plus verb, base form plus object. Let's see the example for our better understanding. I will not go to Thailand. And then interrogative. Question mark shows interrogative. It's a symbol of positive. It's a symbol of negative sentence. It's a symbol of interrogative sentence. Will plus subject plus verb base form plus object is the formula of this interrogative sentence. And don't forget to write question mark. And then let us write it down. The example. Will you go to Thailand? Write it down. Will you go to Thailand? Let us revise it one more time. In positive sentence, the formula for the future tense is subject plus will shall plus verb base form plus object. Example is I will go to Thailand. Negative sentence, the formula is subject plus will not, won't plus verb base form plus object. And the example is I'll not go to the Thailand. I'll not go to Thailand. Full stop. Don't forget to put the full stop here as well as here also. Now question mark shows interrogative. Will plus shall. अब इसमें क्या आ जाएगा पहले? Will. वेरी गुड. यहाँ पे विल बाद में लिख रहे थे, यहाँ पे विल सब्जेक्ट के पहले लिखेंगे इंट्रोगेटिव में. विल यू गो टू थाईलैंड? क्वेश्चन मार्क. विल प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब बेस फॉर्म plus object. I hope, dear kids, you all understood the concept of the future tense nicely. So that's all for today. See you all in my next video lecture. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you. Namaskar. Keep studying and be happy always. Bye, little learners.